morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Alex from OCAMaster. So today we are doing a live demonstration of the S8 Plus LCD refurbishing. This LCD is from a customer. So we already finished the freezing. Now let's separate. Okay, so done, glass removed. Okay, now the next procedure is to remove the glue. So we need to use the mold and the hot plate. So this is the mold, we call it in-frame mold. It's a 2-in-1 mold. It can do both glue removing and the in-frame lamination. So now we do the glue removing. So here we have some little cracked glass here. So we use the glue remover and we remove it first. So now the procedure is glue removing. I need this tool. Okay, so how many minutes it took me? 10 minutes? 10 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we use this glue remover. Special for age. So right now is magic time. Let's start. Cream. So if you do repairing, you need my glue remover.
È laboratorio. Vedi?
So this is the film.
Refurbishing.
We put it in the mold. So let's use the K7 machine. We go to the K7. Thank you. Yeah. So now the ochre and the glass is already touched. Let's start. We wait like about 1 minute. called alignment mode. It's just for alignment the glass with the OCA glue, and then you put it inside for lamination. Yes. Okay, lamination finish. Now you see, the glue is already attached on the glass. Yeah. So we have just very little bubbles here. We need a bubble remover. We put in the bubble remover about 3 minutes. Okay. Thank you. So now we do bubble removing, 3 minutes. Okay, so now everything is ready. Glass with OCA is ready, and the screen is ready, clean up. So we will use the K7 to do the lamination, the in-frame lamination. So we laminate the screen with the frame. We don't separate the frame from the screen. So, yeah.
Demande-lui c'est quoi les machines qu'on utilise le plus.
I remove the protection film. The film. Okay, another magic time. Let's begin.
Same 1 minute, please.
Yeah, same like 1 minute. Okay, so lamination finish. Let's check. So this is the solution we call the in-frame. As you guys can see, we just have little teeny bubbles here, but this is not a problem. This is the vacuum bubble. It's vacuum bubble. We just put in the bubble remover like 2-3 minutes. It will go. So let's try. So everybody, now after like 5 minutes, the bubble remover is finished. Let's check. So lamination finished, bubble remover finished. Have a look.
Very good.
So what does this machine do?
Screw repairing. Screw repairing.
Screen repairing.
Yeah. Okay, have a look. Have a look.
Like it's broken and you repair it?
Yeah.
You have any other screen broken I can see? And what one do you repair? Repair the real screen, right?
Yeah, the real screen. This is the one we just finished the repairing. Actually,
Let me see.
this is the broken one.
Any part broke in the middle, it doesn't matter.
Yeah. Only glass broken.
Yeah.
Inside
LCD
broken.
good, yeah.
Yeah, LCD.
What is it, liquid product or what is it?
It's not liquid.
Just put it inside and that's it.
So actually, excuse me. Now we just finished lamination. Actually, this time I did not bring the UV light. We call the UV lamp. It's better to put this screen under the UV lamp. So it's better. Sometimes if you don't use lamp, the UV lamp it has some delay bubbles. But with our glue, with our hybrid glue, and with the UV lamp, no delay bubble. So it's better to buy a UV lamp. We have it for sale, but I did not bring this time. So, but this one is already finished.
Already finished.
Alex, you are the best.
Thank you. Come on. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, thank you.